show you how to make the Thanksgiving casserole that I'm going to serve Thanksgiving Day. Today's recipe is for shepherd's pie. So I've gotten my saucepan, and what I've added to it is 4 tablespoons of flour, and I have 2 Knorr bouillon cubes in there, and I'm using powdered cashew milk. You could just use a liquid vegan milk as well, and because this is a little bit clumpy, I'm putting it through a sieve. Now just mix your ingredients together, and the only reason I used powdered cashew milk is that's what I had handy. I actually store it in the freezer because I don't use very many vegan milks. Now let's stir in the water, but if you were using your liquid vegan milk, you would just be stirring in your liquid vegan milk, your flour, and the bouillon cubes. The bouillon cubes will break up as we're cooking this. So we're making basically the sauce that will be the base for our shepherd's pie casserole. This is one of those meals that you could prepare ahead of time and pop into the oven when you're ready to serve it. Now I'm going to cook it and bring it to a boil to thicken it. The next step is I'm adding 3 cups of thawed mixed vegetables. They were frozen. I'm adding 1 cup of cooked potato. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then a couple good shakes of black pepper. Stir this all up. Also, you'll need to have some mashed potatoes ready. You can see the sauce got nice and thick. Now it's time to put it in a casserole dish. It's now time to scoop on some mashed potatoes. I will link my recipe on there for you. Next week's video will be an updated mashed potato recipe. Once it airs, I will add the link in the description below. Just smooth them around. And now this shepherd's pie just gets baked at 350 degrees and probably like about a half an hour. It just needs to get hot and bubbly. And I'm just trying to make little peaks of mashed potatoes if you're wondering what I'm doing. Shepherd's pie is baked. It's about 5 minutes from serving. And now I'm just going to top it off with some delicious breadcrumbs. It's nice and hot. And some parsley. Now doesn't that look yummy? Perfect thing to serve your guests. I hope you like it. See you next week.